This is now our finished products. As you can see, delicious blended cocktail. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.
Alright, so it's a theory question out, isn't it? Nothing no change. East side anyway. I represent from my bridging, Chef Henry, isn't it? I have a YouTube channel. One of the people them check it out. I'm life of a Jamaican chef. Like, comment, subscribe.
Hi, my name is Sharna K. Lawrence, and today I will be demonstrating the blended method of making a fruit cocktail. Our ingredients are pineapple chunks. The liqueur I will be using is white rum as the base, coconut milk, a little bit of lime juice, and ice. What is a blended cocktail, you may ask? Okay, a blended cocktail is basically combining all ingredients together and blend. Okay, so the first we're going to be adding our pineapple chunks, and this is 3 ounces of pineapple chunks, our coconut milk, the liqueur we will be using is white rum, so we're going to add our white rum, ice, and you need as many ice as possible. And last, a teaspoon of lime juice, just to enhance the flavor. So we are going to blend together until we have a smoothie-like mixture. And when you blend in seconds. You don't want to keep the blender running, okay? So the blending technique may take a little bit of time because you want to make it perfect. So now we will be pouring into our cocktail glasses. Now you can, if you realize, you can zoom in to see that we have a very smoothie-like texture, which is what we were going for. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be uploading the ingredients so you can try for yourself to make your very own pineapple cocktail. Zoom in to see the smooth texture. Very nice. And I will be garnishing these glasses.
Aside for the right now they present for and I create them. Aside we are tell about Top Chef. How to tell about Top Chef, we not talk about no Flap Chef. We are tell about Hot Chef. As I say right now they represent for life of a Jamaican chef. Really with a side. Life of a Jamaican chef and another regular type of Jamaican chef. You see me I say, and if you disbelieve, go on over YouTube, go and go play the thing, like the thing, share the thing, subscribe to the thing.